I'm about to show you how you could make and leverage videos to bring you more traffic, leads, and sales. With over 5 billion videos watched on YouTube every single day, the opportunity to get traffic and make money with online videos has never been better than right now. Over 300 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute, and 80% of 18 to 48-year-olds watch YouTube. It's a massive opportunity that we're talking about for getting traffic to anything that you're promoting online. Now, the bottom line is this: if you're not using videos to get traffic to your online business, you're missing out. Unfortunately, creating, editing, and posting videos, well, it's time-consuming. It's complicated and not as easy as it looks. In fact, most people that try to create videos for getting traffic never get them to rank and struggle to even get them created. Although the results you'll get with video are massive, getting your videos to rank on the first page and get you traffic takes time. It takes experience and some marketing skills too. But all of that, it ends today. We've created a cloud-based app that changes everything and makes it easy for anyone, even total newbies, to get big results with video. With Videtar, the hardest part about creating videos has been totally eliminated. In fact, you never have to create a video the old and complicated way ever again, because Videtar does all the hard work for you. Here's how Videtar makes it easy for you to crush it with video marketing, even if you're a total newbie. Step 1, enter a keyword into the cloud-based software, and Videtar will instantly find all the viral videos for that keyword. Step 2, once the keyword is selected, you can then find the Creative Commons video that you can use with just one click of your mouse. Step 3, with Videtar, you can add logos, audio, background music, and even a lower third text bar to any video you've chosen with just a few clicks of your mouse. This makes it easy to make your videos stand out, and you can really make it your own. And no special design skills or experience with video are required. Step 4, with Videtar, you'll be able to dominate multiple page 1 rankings with just a few clicks of your mouse by using the included live streaming module. This module allows you to stream any single video you've created hundreds of times, which instantly multiplies the results you're getting with a single video. And that gives you multiple page 1 rankings and tons of ongoing free traffic. Step 5, get your live stream videos more backlinks with our network embeds so that you get even more top rankings, which means even more top rankings and free traffic on total autopilot. Imagine how powerful it will be to grab any video in any niche and quickly customize it as your own with just a few clicks, and then live stream it and have it uploaded hundreds of times for all the free traffic you could ever want. Videtar levels the playing field and makes it easy for anyone to get free traffic and make big money online, all with just a few clicks of your mouse and no video or design skills required. And as a very special bonus, you'll also get conversion booster software that will allow you to get more views, engagements, and sales from your videos. This is the exact same power that sites like Vimeo and others use to boost your engagements and sales from your videos, and it's yours free when you get Videtar today. To make this the ultimate video marketing tool, we're also including done-for-you videos in super hot niches for local marketers. You can easily rebrand or customize these videos and sell them over and over again and get paid $500 to $1,000 per video and build a recurring income with just a few clicks of your mouse. And last but not least, we're also including our green screen tool at no cost when you get Videtar right now. Of course, the best part about getting Videtar today is the highly discounted pricing you'll get when you click the button below. Although Videtar gives you everything you need to bank thousands of dollars per month, you won't pay anywhere near that when you click the button below now. Whatever you do, don't wait. The price on Videtar is going up fast, and if you come back later, you'll likely find yourself paying a lot more or possibly missing out on getting this forever. To make it easy to get started right now, we're also including additional bonuses and giving you a full 30 days to make sure Videtar is really for you. If you're not in love with the easy-to-use features included in this all-in-one video marketing tool, all you have to do is let us know and we'll get you a fast refund. If you're currently doing any local marketing or affiliate marketing, Videtar gives you a massive, unfair advantage against the competition and makes it easy for you to get hundreds of first-page rankings on Google and on YouTube with just a few clicks of your mouse, without ever having to create a video on your own. Now, this is the ultimate shortcut for easy rankings and all the free traffic that you want with just a few clicks of your mouse. To get instant access, click the button below right now.